Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about next week's potential wintry system. I'm not going to call it a winter storm because it most likely will not get named. And I'll explain that as well later. But starting off here with the European model, we have our current system, which is still producing showers, either snow, sleet, or rain in the Great Lakes region. That will move into the Northeast today and eventually move off the coast after many days of soaking the northern part of the U.S., producing severe thunderstorms in the southern part of the U.S., just a crazy storm system, but not the craziest. I think this next system that we're going to be tracking here in the Rockies and into the plains will be much crazier, because not only will we have a significant severe threat forming in the Great Plains and potentially a slow moving severe threat, but we could also be seeing multiple of snow in parts of the northern plains. Reminding you, Easter is a week and a day from now, and we could see some spots such as, Montana, Idaho, Wyoming, Colorado, Utah. They're used to it. But areas such as the Dakotas, Nebraska, maybe even Minnesota, some areas could get 2 feet of snow because this low pressure system that moves out from the Rockies, already strong, 983 millibars, will just continue to intensify. 979, 983, just remain strong. 985, 983 again, 981, and produce heavy snow, strong winds, possible blizzard conditions alongside that severe threat. Now, I do want to talk about this wintry threat today because it's more solidified than the severe threat is at this moment. But we'll take a look at both of them in more detail as we get more information. At the moment, the European model, assuming a 10-to-1 snow to liquid ratio, which is just 10 inches of snow per 1 inch of rain, shows a widespread area from areas east of Billings and Helena, Montana, all the way through areas like Bismarck, west of Fargo, into areas maybe even Winnipeg, seeing close to 2 feet of snow. And some areas could even see 3 feet of snow. And alongside the potential here, let's go back here and go to our 10-meter wind. There is the potential here for a blizzard, as this system is going to rapidly intensify. You can see here that once we see our low pressure form, that we get this intensification on the back end, 30 knots sustained, and maybe even 40 knots, 39, 40, around here. Yeah, they're definitely 40. Like, wow. That is, I don't think I've seen that in 2 or 3 years. Just this level of intense winds in the northern plains. We've been having ground blizzards in the northern plains basically all year, but this drastic of those drastic wind speeds that we could be seeing out of this system, just astonishing. So overall, I think that this will be the spring storm. This will be the storm of the spring to talk about, because you kind of have all these ingredients that we typically have with spring systems, which we really haven't had so far this year. You have the wintry part of the storm with potential blizzard conditions, but strong snow bands, as well as the potential for, large amounts of that wet, heavy snow, that really annoying to shovel type of snow, that really just heavy, hurts your back type of snow, alongside heavy rain out in front, which we definitely could see along that warm front ahead of this low pressure system. You can see that warm front's right in here, and then a powerful cold front, which we are definitely going to see a powerful cold front form right in here. This is all the telltale signs of a extremely strong spring storm event that just has all of the major factors that make these types of storms worse than winter systems. In the winter, we talk about, the potential for a blizzard or two, or maybe a wintry severe threat in the south, or a rainmaker in parts of the Ohio, Tennessee, Mississippi River valleys. But the spring storms that we cover around this time of year, usually March, April, have all of those combined into one system. And that's what makes them a thrill to just see form or continue to follow, as there's a lot of very specific things that have to happen for this to even form, but it seems like it's going to happen. We're going to have that setup of the low, strong low already coming onto the coast of California, I believe. Yeah, that already strong area of lower pressure. That low pressure becomes defined as it moves into the California mainland. We see that low pressure maintain its strength over the Rockies and even gain strength. And then we see all of that come together, a very strong low pressure coming out of the Rockies, pulling up that Gulf moisture, and just combining all of that with cold air already in place from this previous system in Canada. And that just all combines for a blizzard, severe threat, rainmaker, all of the above. So, comment in the comment section down below. What do you think the maximum amount of snow that anybody will get with this system? Let me know what you think. Comment in the comment section down below. And if you found this video informative, subscribe and click the bell, because I will be covering this system until it happens or doesn't happen. So stay tuned here for more updates on this system, whether or not it happens, or if it gains or loses intensity throughout the next coming days. But that is all the information that I have for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.